Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Finally, we have here one of the popular sports health data monitoring smartwatch from AOLON, the AOLON Watch Foom Lite. And of course, we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. We are going to check the design, specs, if we do have the specs, as well as the UI of this wearable. But we are going to focus more on the design. And on our second video, we are going to focus on the menus and features of the Watch Foom Lite from AOLON. So if you're planning to get this one, okay, if you are deciding whether to buy this one or not, before you buy the smartwatch, watch this video so you will know what are the features, how does the smartwatch look like, and of course some of the specs. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Alright, so let's have the unboxing of the AOLON smartwatch Foom Lite. So here is the packaging, very simple, and we have some features here: Bluetooth call, heart rate monitoring, calorie, alarm, sleep analysis, music control, and information reminder. What we have here is the blue color. It is using the JYU Pro support app, available on Android and iOS. So color options are black, gold, and blue. Okay, so let's check. Let's have the unboxing of the wearable. So let's remove the plastic first. Okay, let's see if this wearable looks good. This is very affordable so far, by the way. Okay, AOLON, nice. So we have the cover here, and we still have a very good box here. Nice packaging, looks premium. Okay, so we have here screen protector. Again, here are the contents: screen protector. We have the user manual with the instructions on how to download the app. JU Pro, not JYU Pro. Okay, so here on the box it says, okay, JYU Pro. It's JU Pro based on the user manual here. We have the charging cable, and we have the smartwatch with a strap attached. So we have a crown button, PC material, I think. Yes, flexible silicone strap, AOLON. So far it looks good, simple but well made. Okay, and we do have a branding here, AOLON. So let's remove this one. Okay, so here are the contents of our Watch Foom Lite. We have the smartwatch with a strap attached. We have the user manual. We have a free glass protection, okay, film. And we have a pogo pin, USB type A charging cable. And nothing else. Okay, for the weight, let's check. So 00. We have 55 again. Okay, so we have 40 grams, not 50, not 35, but 40 grams with a strap attached. Okay, still very lightweight wearable. Okay, the design here reminds me of the recently reviewed smartwatch. They call me P81. Okay, except that the crown button here is located on the upper right side. But overall, it looks like the P81. So we have the sensor here. For the specs, let's have the basic specs here. Okay, so we have the specifications here. 1.83-inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 280 pixel resolution. We have 256 KB of RAM, 64 MB of ROM, 280 mAh battery, IP68. It's using the JU Pro, and we do have the BK32886 for the chip SC7R31 for the, I think this is a motion tracking. Okay, so we have here some of the features. So it is pretty loaded with sports, health, okay, and we also have watch faces here. We do also have a Bluetooth call. As the box states here, AOLON smartwatch is a sports health data monitoring wearable. Okay, it looks nice, looks simple. It is a unisex design, I think. Okay, let's have the layout or the UI of the wearable. Let's have a preview. Okay, it loaded fast. Can we use the crown button? None. Okay, so there's no function except for turning it on and going back, I think. Okay, for the UI, on top we have the quick shortcut to the different settings here, or different options, important settings, important options for your smartwatch. On the bottom part, we have the different menus. Okay, going back. On the left side, we have the split screen. On the right side, I guess this is cards. Let's see. Yes, it's all cards. We have some sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, weather, music control, and we have here the watch face. To change the watch face, just like any other smartwatch, long press. So far, as you can see here, 1.83-inch TFT LCD. The border on the bottom part is a bit big. It's not proportion, but on the left and right, just the same size. We do have a slim size on the upper as well as on the left and the right side. Okay, let's take a look at let's have a closer look at the AOLON Foom Lite smartwatch by AOLON. Looking nice, sporty looking smartwatch. So that's it for our initial review of the AOLON Foom Lite. Unboxing of design, specs, and the UI. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!